Here it is, the new griddle arrived, just got out of the box. Gonna get ready to start seasoning it and see what we can come up with for the first cook on this thing. Really excited about it, really happy that it's here. Been waiting for it for quite some time. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, so the moment that I've been waiting for a long time has finally happened. I finally have my griddle that I've been trying to get. Now this isn't necessarily barbecue related, but it is outdoor cooking and it is kind of barbecue related. Like I'll be using it for my barbecue and different things. Like when I make my bacon, I'll be using the griddle to cook bacon on. When I make my pastrami, which requires my smoker, I'll be cooking that on here as well. I'm going to show you guys, what I got and why I chose it and what it is that I have. First thing that I wanted was a 4-burner griddle. I wanted to have a lot of cooking space on it. This one isn't quite as big as like the bigger Blackstones, but it is still 604 square inches of cooking space that it has on this griddle, which I think is plenty, especially for a beginner like me. Not going to be able to manage a whole lot at once anyways. It's got the 2 shelves here on the sides. It's got the grease pan right here for it to drip out of the front here on the side corner, which is kind of cool. Another shelf over here. So there's 2 large shelves. When you take the griddle off, these shelves, both of them just fold up into the middle here and cover the burners that way. The reason why I picked the Camp Chef one, there's a few reasons why. One is, Camp Chef is actually manufactured where I live. They're in Utah, they're headquartered in Utah, and so that's kind of cool. But then I also got it because this one is portable. These legs right here, they fold up, so I can actually take this one camping with me, which is what I really wanted. I really like the Blackstones, and I like some of the other ones that I saw. Sam's Club had like their Members Mark one that was cool. But none of them were meant to be portable, and I really wanted one that was big enough that I could use in my backyard whenever I wanted to, but also I could break it down easily and take it camping, which this one I can. All you do is you just lift the griddle off, put it in its carrying case, fold up the legs, close the shelves up, put that in its carrying case, carry them both separately. Carrying them together, they're very heavy, but carrying them one at a time, the griddle by itself and then the frame by itself, it's actually not that bad at all. One thing too that I like about this one is, the legs, these can unscrew, so you can level your griddle, you can adjust the angle of it any way you want to. Of course, you can make it come forward so that all of the grease can flow into here. And I don't know if you can see on the camera here, but it's already angled naturally to make it so everything comes to right here. So this corner over here is actually higher than what this corner is. It's just the way it comes out of the box. Even when you have the actual frame itself level, the griddle is going to be tilted a little bit to naturally make everything flow over to there. And then you just got the grease pan right here. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep replacing the liners or not. This can kind of get expensive after a while. I don't have any problem with just cleaning out the grease tray. Of course, you got the propane over here. Fun fact, this is the only propane cooking device that I own. Everything that I have either burns off of wood or, wood. I don't really do anything with propane. This is going to be a new one for me, just learning how to use propane. I bought my first propane tank a little while ago, got it filled up, decided to get it cooked up and start using it. Well, let me know what you guys think about this thing. I'm going to go ahead and, it says that it's pre-seasoned with says that the griddle is pre-seasoned, but I'm going to probably go ahead and just season it myself anyways, just to make sure that it's good and seasoned. And from what I understand, with seasoning these, the more you use them, the better they get, the better the seasoning is, the better they work with not sticking. From what I understand, I just kind of have to start using this thing and keep using it to make it so that it's going to work well. I'm going to seasoning it once, just by myself, and then after every use, part of the cleaning process, I guess, is just kind of continually seasoning it and making it better and better and better. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want to see with this thing. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if there's anything I can show that I'm not showing here that maybe you'd want to know about it, to know if it's right for you or not, and to know if it's something you want to get into. For me, it's something that I want to get into, and I'm really excited for it.